Welcome to the process of custom ERP development by NexGen Softwares. In today's fast-paced business world, every second counts, and inefficiency can cost you big. Whether you're managing a manufacturing unit, a hospital, or a real estate project, staying organized is key. Discovered how tailored ERP solutions can streamline your operations and enhance productivity and drive long-term growth for your business. We also ensure seamless integration with your existing software, so your ERP solution connects smoothly with tools you already use. This guarantees efficient workflows across your entire organization. Scalability is built into every solution we offer. As your business grows, your ERP system grows with it, accommodating new processes, users, and data. Data security and compliance are top priorities. We implement robust protection measures and help ensure compliance with industry regulations. And we don't stop at deployment. We provide comprehensive training and ongoing support, so your team can confidently use and maintain the ERP system over time. Contact us today to discuss how our services can optimize processes.